Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix pin light blinking Converge. First, check the LO slide on your Converge modem. If the low slide is blinking red, it usually means there is a loss of signal between your modem and the fiber network. Before trying anything else, give it a few minutes and see if the connection comes back on its own. Sometimes the issue is caused by temporary network maintenance or a service interruption from your internet provider. If the light continues blinking, reboot the modem. Turn the modem off completely and unplug it from the power source. Wait for about 5 minutes before plugging it back in. Now turn the modem on and allow it several minutes to fully boot up and reconnect to the network. Once the modem finishes starting up, check the LO slide again. If the problem remains, inspect the fiber cable connected to the modem. Carefully check the entire cable for any signs of damage, sharp bends, cuts, or kinks. Fiber cables are very sensitive, and even a small bend can affect the signal quality. Next, make sure the fiber cable is securely connected at both ends. You can gently disconnect and reconnect the cable to ensure it is seated properly. While checking the cable, avoid pulling, twisting, or bending it excessively. Also, look around your home for any recent changes that may have affected the cable, such as furniture being moved, renovation work, or accidental damage. If the LO slide is still blinking red after checking the connections and restarting the modem, the issue may be coming from your provider's network. In that case, check if there are any reported outages in your area or contact Converge support for assistance. Provide them with details about the blinking LO slide and the troubleshooting steps you have already completed. Once the signal issue is resolved, the LO slide should turn off and your internet connection should return to normal. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.